Alright, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers, what's up?
Yo, Duke, pick up the phone!
Yo.
What's up?
This feels like deja vu all over again from the Monopoly video, except a whole lot less work. So let's get into started on how I made $2,300 in under an hour out of Walmart. Alright, so I was in Austin, Texas for a meetup for business, meet friends, when I got a message on Facebook Messenger saying it was a picture that looked just like this, and then the barcode, and I got a screenshot saying restricted across it, can you sell these? And I sent a message back saying absolutely, I am not restricted, which means Amazon will allow me to sell this brand on their platform. So, 15 bucks for a headphone. Doesn't sound exciting, right? Okay. He said, but there are 47 of them hanging on the hooks in one store. So there's 46 of them. This one's number 47. As you can see, the box has not got a little ding in it. So this one, I'll sell this one on Amazon. Is it still sealed? Or if the wife wants it, she can have it. Okay. Alright, so let's continue on. Ignore the mess behind me. As you can see, this is not a fly-by-night operation as insinuated by the last big video. I'm hoping this one will be a big one as well. Because if you look back here, all I do is buy and sell. eBay, Amazon, whatever. And so, these things are $15 each. 46. How much can you sell them for? I'm going to list them on Amazon FBA for $74.95. So, Bearded Picker, what kind of profit is that? Oh my God, you only pay $15. You can't possibly sell these for $75 each. Remember, in a resale game, I'm buying at 75% off clearance at least. It's not about what I pay for them, it's about what someone else will pay for them. And if you look at the screen right there, there's a Walmart, I don't know if that's blurry or not, I can't tell on the little screen. As you can see, Walmart charged $64.88 for them. So $74.95 is really not out of the realm of possibility on a headphone that is you can't find it anymore. It's not in stores. It was a popular design. It was popular when it came out. And these were out in 2016 when they first started coming out. So I'm going to put a screenshot right now to show you the Amazon and exactly how much I'll make per item. So as you can see here, here's the listing on Amazon. It shows you the current sale price on the buy box is $68.68. Their fees for FBA of $13.69, which leaves you $54.99. You take out the $15 I paid, and this is about the price I sold at, between here and $70. So it leaves me with $40 profit per and selling 47 units. So not bad for a couple hours work. Basically, all you're going to do is, if you have an Amazon selling account, hit the barcode with the scanner. It's going to come up and tell you that it's ranked 7,800 in wireless. The current buy box is $99. I'm going to ask $74.95. This might be changing. At $99, you will get back, after Amazon takes their fees, you'll get back $80.76. per sale. Take out the $15 and voila, you're at $65 profit per each one. What is 65 times 46? That's a big number because I had only done 46 times 43 to get to the 2,300. So what happens if I raise my price and I sell all these at 99 bucks? Then what? I'll tell you what. So it's 65 times 46. We go to 2,900. Less the shipping. Oh my God, the gas, the shipping, all that crazy stuff. Remember, Amazon fees on FBA, all the shipping, everything's taken out. The only shipping is they're going to go in this box to one warehouse in Memphis, Tennessee from Alabama. It's going to cost me less than $15 to ship them all in. The gas, I was already in Austin anyway. From the hotel to the Walmart was 7 miles, less than a gallon of gas. So we're not even at 20 bucks more. So if you want to go $29.90, oh my God, it's not $29.90, it's $29.70. Okay, what else did I hear in the last video? You didn't make the money until it's actually not profit yet. You didn't make the money until they sell. By the time you see this, I'll have sold at least half of them, because I'm gonna hold this video till I sell them, so that whenever y'all start carrying on, I can say, yo, listen, half of them are gone. I'm way into the money. You know, I spent $660 for these headphones to make nearly $3 grand at $99. At worst, I'm gonna make $2,300 on 600. That's a good investment. That's a good flip. You can do this too. Amazon FBA, eBay. Is it a get rich quick scheme? Absolutely not. There's a reason why you saw the last video in December and now this video is coming out in the summer. These products don't happen all the time, but they're out there. You can find them with some work. You know, everybody goes, how did you know when to... That's part of the deal. You got to get out here and learn it. I can't make everything exactly easy for you. I'm here to inspire you to do it. Take charge of your own life. Live life on your terms. Be your own boss, just like me. So I'm going to box these things up. I'm going to put them in a box. I'll tell you exactly what the shipping is here in just a few minutes, or maybe just a minute, and we'll close this video out. But I just want everybody to know that this is possible. You don't have to work for someone else. You can work for yourself. Oh my God, he's a scam artist. He's a this or that. I'm not asking for you or anything. You're not going to buy anything from me. I don't want anything from you. I'm just here to tell you what's possible, to inspire you to what's possible. You know, look at me. I sell so much. I had to form an S corporation to make the best benefit. Oh my God, that was the other thing. You didn't pay taxes. Every sale on Amazon, you'll get a 1099 for. So at the end of the year, I do get a 1099. I paid my taxes just like anyone else. I formed an S corporation. All my money runs. I have an accountant. He pays bills. He pays my payroll to my son and to my family and myself. So it's a legit business. This is legit. You can do this. It just takes, you know, I've got a lot of videos you can watch. There are a lot of other people on YouTube. It's a matter of how bad do you want to work for yourself? Are you tired of working on someone else's schedule? Last week I was in Austin, Texas. In 2 weeks, I'm going to drive to Vegas. 1,800 miles, 10, 11 days. Going to go to eBay Open. Going to go to ASD, a wholesale conference. The wife is going to fly out there. We're going to enjoy our anniversary, 28 wonderful years. She is going to fly back. And then I'll wander my way back buying stuff all the way home. I will make money on the way out there. I will have a great time and be a social butterfly. As much of a butterfly as this big fella can be. And then I will make money on the way home. In the meantime, the wife will enjoy a trip to Vegas and see a lot of great people and slots, poker, all that fun stuff. You can do this too. It's just a matter of how bad do you want it. Do you want to learn how to do it? Is this an everyday occurrence? Absolutely not. Is it a lot of grind? A lot of times it's just a grind. But I'm showing you the wins, the very big wins, and this is huge. Did I do it all myself? Absolutely not. Somebody said, hey, I can't sell this. What about you? And then I was there within an hour. Hell yeah, I can sell them, and yes, I'm going to. Alright. Give me 2 seconds to figure out exactly what the shipping is. I'll add it to this video, and I'll tell you guys, have a nice day. Alright. I have done the shipping. There's the labels. It costs a whopping $8.26 to send this box from Huntsville, Alabama to Memphis. Remember, for those of you not familiar with Amazon FBA, you ship third-party approved shipping at Amazon's rates. So that's why this 30-pound box going to Amazon is only $8.26. Super cheap to get it to them, and then they will handle it from here. Amazon FBA means that Amazon will store it, they will warehouse it. When it sells, they will ship it for me and to the customer. And if you're a Prime customer on Amazon, you will get it in 2 days, just like it was a product Amazon sold themselves. So it's a great benefit. The fees are a little higher than eBay. My average fees are between 25 and 28%. And before you go, oh my God, I can't believe he pays that much, go see how much it costs if I had to have my own store. You know, how do I reach, you know, millions of people in this country and all over the world through our website for 28%. Ooh, we just sold something on eBay. That's a great sound. So, hope this answers most of the questions from the last video. It shows you what's possible out there. Think outside the box. Follow your passion. Do what you want to do in this life. You know, find a way to make your passion support your life. It's easier now than ever has been in the history of the world. Your second job can be your first job, and just make sure you love it, because you only get one trip around this big round world, and you might as well be happy and do it on your terms. Bearded Picker out. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate you thinking about it. Like, comment, share, and we'll see you in the next one. Roll Tide. Of course, it's on the shirt. All the jokes about the big bearded Alabama redneck. Love you.